whenever governor speaks, generally he conveys what the government gives him. But he has a constitutional role. He's not a rubber stamp. Unlike the President of India, who has to assent to bills when it is submitted and resubmitted, the governor has a discretion. And the governor's discretions are spelled out in the Constitution. He holds a very high constitutional post, and he should correct the government and bring to the notice of the government certain shortfalls and shortcomings. Our simple question was, one is, you pay respects to the deceased. 25 people dying in one fire, not because of an accident, but clearly a human positive action in ensuring the death. That's why we call it murder. Secondly, it's a matter of shame for our Goa government, and it is a blot on Goa's name and image, affecting even our tourism in Goa. And in these circumstances, I think the governor should have so much told the government, I will speak on this, and he should have spoken. Not doing this, because if you know, in the BAC, all the parties wanted a discussion, which was disallowed. And they have said they're going to have a discussion on Vande Mataram, which is more important in the scenario. I don't say anything may be put in the back burner, but when there are pressing issues, an issue like this, which shows a deep-rooted corruption and a systemic fault and positive reason with the government's complicity in it, I think the government was getting scared to allow the discussion, because skeletons will come out and for people from the bottom to the top will be exposed. Government did not want this shame, and therefore I think that we had to do our obligation as opposition to protest and to demand for it, and demand that he includes it in his speech, and that's why we had to walk out.
तुम्ही पळयतात गोंयकारपण, गोंयकारांचो गोंयकारा खातीर.